we've come to this petrol station here. Already, this Subaru WRX Impreza. Don't hear you mention it, but look at the amount of dust and mould build up on this. Moss growing on the windowsill and mould on the steering wheel. Wow. Somebody's obviously done into dust there for sale. What do we have here? D. I'm not too sure of that, but we'll check it out nevertheless. But I've also just done a reg check on the Porsche here in this corner, and literally it's been off the road for quite the time, and I'm guessing a number of these vehicles have as well. But how amazing is this to find, what is it, a Boxster? Look at moss build up. Incredible. We've got another Subaru here. Two Mercedes. This has definitely been sat there for time. Another compressor. Toyota MR2. More newish looking one, is it? Yeah. I do prefer the older version of the MR2, me personally. But again, we can see all this moss, this mould build up, the condensation. These cars haven't moved for time. Jaguar here, XR8. You can see the paint there just bubbling, ready to deteriorate. Sadly, moss on this roofing and mould. Such a sad shame for such beautiful, amazing cars. We also have two more Porsches here. Look at this. How beautiful are these? Correct me. 3 Porsches. Wow. What are these? 911? And we have a Boxster S here, as well as this Mercedes. What's this Porsche here? Magnum. And we've got a CL420 Mercedes. But it doesn't stop here, guys. You think that it stops here, but we also have a Volkswagen Golf. Is it GT? We have a smart car there, and we have yet another Subaru. Wow, I definitely love these blue ones. Proper, like, remind you of rally cars, don't they? WRX. Such an impressive collection for sure at this garage.